Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy, as always, and delicious mango sour. You're going to need to find green mangoes for this recipe. Now, I found it at my local farmers market. You can also find this at the Asian market. They tend to have not just ripe mangoes, but also mangoes like this. The first step is to peel the mango, and being that it's green, it is a bit challenging to peel, so just be careful. So once I've peeled off all of the skin, I am just going to cut the flesh away from the seed. And I'm just going to cut this into smaller pieces. It doesn't need to be perfect because we are going to boil this and eventually mash it. Next, I'm going to place the mango pieces into a pot. I did not use the mango seed this time, but you absolutely can add it. That was my favorite part as a child. Next, I'm going to add sliced garlic. I'm adding pepper and some water, and I will have this recipe linked below the video. And this is just how I make it, nice and simple. Some people like to add cumin and different kinds of seasoning, but this is just the way I like it. I just like to taste the freshness of the mango. On a medium heat, I am going to allow this to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the mango becomes soft. And this time depends on how small you cut the pieces of mango, but you need to be able to crush it with ease. Using a potato masher, I'm just going to get in there and I am going to crush everything. The pepper, the garlic, the mango, it should all fall apart pretty easily. At this point, I'm going to taste to see if it needs any salt, and then I'm going to add. I added a little bit earlier, but I didn't want to add too much, so I'm going to add some more salt and stir it all together, and then it's time to enjoy. And this is great with plantain chip, pulaurie, chicken foot, or even dal puri. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.